I know how. Okay.
This is pretty fucking sick. Oh shit! I'm recording the shit right now.
You wanted to pay fucking $12.
Oh my god! Dude, I got this shit right here. Fuck. Alright, we start charging people admission and shit.
You know, fucking $5 everywhere.
You know, free parking. Damn, dude, this is insane.
I'm lying on fucking Irvin. Whoa.
That looks so sick, like the view. Damn. Huh? Bro.
Dude, you see one like right in the middle of nowhere.
I swear to God, it looks like there's no over here.
Cloverfield, dude.
Cloverfield.
Transformers, dude.
Coming for the Irvin truck.
I know. My
Fucking car transformers.
Dude, imagine one fell right here. That would suck.
Ooh, fuck that shit. Damn.
God, send me something.
Hit your car. That is.
Car just starts rolling down.
Shit.
Dude, Chimp-O, did you see the ones that when we turn?
Yeah, those were bad.
They're all perfect because you can see like the lightning all down. Like, what the? Take a picture of me by my car. I have my flash on. Here. Like right here though. So you can like